All right, we're kind of quarantined and realized that this is the perfect time to add a little bit of color to our house. So we went out and bought some paint. I know I said we were quarantined, but we went out and bought some paint. And I think we're gonna start painting this wall. Well, I've already painted my office, which looks amazing, but I've been told that I'm not allowed to paint anything. Are you doing stuff behind me? I've been told that I'm not allowed to paint any rooms that people can see. So Blair's doing most of the painting now.
Because you don't take the time to like make it look really good. And mine might take 3 times as long, but at least it's gonna look good. So yes, I'm excited to add a lot of color to this very long wall. And we'll see, hopefully we pick the right color. I'm kind of nervous.
You said add a lot of color. We're adding one color.
But that's gonna be a lot of color, like, cause we have no color on any wall.
My office is pretty colorful.
Okay, your office is colorful, but there's no color on any wall in the house, and even our decor is very bland. So this is gonna be a big leap. And I love color, but for some reason I've been terrified of it when we moved into this house. So.
I think my wall looks fine. I had to go edit a video for like 30 minutes and came back and the wall is painted. What do you think?
I like it, but I'm nervous that it doesn't match our house. I like it, but I'm nervous that it doesn't match our house. But I want our house to match it, so I feel like now we're about to start changing a lot of other things.
I think it matches just fine.
I think it's gonna make the stuff that was here look better, and that we'll actually want to keep that. Because I know you don't like it, but
It rattles.
it does right. But that's the things on top. Maybe we could get rid of those. They're so pretty though. We could put those at the fireplace, and then not have something on that, or have something that can't rattle. I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that I hate these lights because that makes the color all weird on everything.
Does it?
It makes my face look weird.
What is it?
See, now it's a much better shot.
Oh, I messed up. So you were right. Oh God. It's not gonna take that long. I thought it was gonna take a lot longer. It takes more time. It takes just as much time to set up as it does to paint a wall that doesn't have anything on it.
So you're gonna paint more walls tonight?
No, because it's gonna be dark and I can't see. I'm already realizing like I am gonna have to do a second coat on this. So just kidding. I'm gonna have to do the trim and then do a second.
Why a second
Not
coat?
like a second coat, but I need to like get another light, because while I was up there, if you lean over, then you can see like little white spots. Or you didn't get it all the way. But the way the light hits, you can't see that straight on. Like right here. You need to get that right there. And I mean those things, because we cheaped out and didn't take the screws
There's
out.
gonna be a lot of video guys that complain about hearing the focus on the camera, but
You can hear it?
yeah, it's like,
Oh, that's weird.
well, it's a mechanical device doing something.
Okay.
So we're gonna paint this wall, which we've painted,
Not good, but done.
and then we're gonna paint the TV wall. Possibly the wall back there with the windows.
Possibly.
And then the tiny little wall behind me.
It's dark.
Yeah, it probably is really dark. No, it's not that bad. Gonna paint that.
Not all of it.
What you got here, Blair?
This is called being resourceful. Borrowing your husband's equipment so that you can see. realized that I've never painted a wall a different color than the wall next to it. Like I've always just painted a whole room. Fudge. I'm listening to them hypnotize her right now. I feel like I should stop.
I need that part yet. He said that it wouldn't happen.
I know. Well, they said they were gonna like cut out things
Yeah.
to make sure it didn't happen. But it's very relaxed.
How's it going?
Not as great as I would like it, you know. Painting a dark wall and a light wall sometimes gives you issues. So there's lots of little spots that I notice, and of course, looking right now, I'm noticing more in different angles. But I'm gonna finish up this trim and then I'm just gonna be done and we're just gonna look at it the way that it is every day because I'm over painting already. Ugh. Well, that was easy.
What do you think?
I really like it. Like it made all this look so much better. And I mean, it looks like we live here now instead of that we just moved in.
How do you feel about painting that thing?
How did I feel about it?
How do you feel about it?
I mean, I'm glad it's not like this off-white thing on the middle of the wall. So I don't love it, but I don't love that I painted it, but I would have not liked looking at it. So it was the better choice. So now, why is it so dark in here? We're gonna paint this little wall because that's what you want. And we compromise and you get what you want sometimes and I get what I want sometimes. And what did we say we were gonna do this? This green color? Is that right?
Yeah, because it's gonna match what we're gonna paint.
Yeah, oh, yeah, because we're gonna that'll tie in what we're gonna do over here. Oh, I can't walk on that because we just cleaned the carpet. But that gallery wall is going to be this green color. We've wanted this for a couple years and I'm very excited about it. So imagine that. And then
What about that wall?
that wall, we're gonna do, like give it some texture. We're taking those windows and all that stuff off of there. And then we're gonna do, what did we say, like the 1x2s? And do some kind of, I don't know, whatever, to give it some texture. And then paint it. So I would assume we would paint it this. Or are we saying we maybe paint it that? I feel like, I don't know. See, this is the color everything is. That's on my eye. So like this is a very good masculine look and I like that. So it's gonna be one of these two. But I don't know. I guess we'll just have to see.
Tell people to leave a comment with their opinion.
Oh, yeah. So what do y'all think? Should we? It's a great idea. Everyone give us your opinion. So the main wall is gonna be this color. The little wall to the side, should it be this color or should it also be this color? Yeah. And then we have one more wall that we're trying to decide if we should paint. So that's over here. This nice big window wall. We want to paint this something. Matt wants to paint it the green color as well. I don't like how it washes out the plants because I like the way the plants pop off the light colored wall. But they could also pop off of that, so it could be that color.
Which is what we just painted.
Which is what we just painted. So we're going with two colors down here. They're gonna, anything gets painted, it's one of these two colors. But But that way it's not going crazy. And it's so open down here that if you had a bunch of different colors, I don't know how it would look. So we're just gonna, I'm also scared. I'm scared of color. So we're gonna go with these two. But what do you think this one should be? Should we go with with the green? Or should we go with the dark gray, the iron ore? Let us know.
But ultimately, no, we're gonna pick what we want. Oh, do we want to tell them about, see, this is what I feel like we actually do need help with is we want to put wallpaper here, but we can't figure out wallpaper.
We want wallpaper. Don't look at our laundry hanging system up there. We want wallpaper on this wall, and a little bit would come to there. But yeah, we're having a hard time figuring out what we would want. Also, I should have Googled this, but are there local wallpaper places? Clearly in the quarantine, that's not an essential thing, so we would not be able to go. So ordering it would be fantastic. So if anybody knows of inexpensive, good wallpaper, let us know. Leave us a comment, a link, or a suggestion, please. Yeah, now I want to paint everything. But all we have is these colors.
So we thought that this would take half a gallon, and it took like what?
A quarter.
Yeah.
Of a gallon.
So we have 3/4 of a gallon, which is basically 3 more walls this size.
A bedroom wall.
Yeah, I mean, I'm fine with that. Because we don't have to show you the bedroom, just know that it is the same color as every other wall in the house.
This, gray doesn't look gray. We told him, you painted the wrong color. This isn't gray. And it was the right color. We just wanted something very gray, and that is not it. But we dealt with it and have been dealing with it for 4 years, so.
Look, check it out. It looks green, but if I turn off these stupid yellow can lights. Hey, look, stand right here in the good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
See, now you look a lot better. I mean, like.
Thanks.
But it also kind of looks like the color it's supposed to be.
Yeah, that's another thing about picking out colors is every room, it looks a different color no matter what you pick out. We thought it was like mainly grays that do that, but of course it's all colors because you're gonna get natural light or you're gonna get your warm lights from your can lights and light fixtures or whatever. So that's another thing is if you use the same color but in a different area, it might not tie in as well as you think it's going to because it's not gonna look the same. What do you think we should paint next? What's gonna be the most fun or the easiest? Because that wasn't as easy as I thought it was gonna be. I'm not painting anymore today.